The Blizzard Brahma is from the Freeride All Mountain series. This is an excellent ski for anybody who wants to ski hard-packed snow and charge hard down the mountain. It's not for the faint of heart, but it's going to give you excellent feel underfoot. It has flip core technology with carbon and titanium built in, which is going to make it very stiff, but it's also going to make it an excellent edge hold on the hard-packed snow. This is designed for medium to long radius turns, so somebody who's looking to do hard charging ski down through the bumps or through any hard pack, this is going to be an excellent ski. Incredibly stable, really digging in. Woo! Oh, yeah. There we go. That's a strong ski.